Hey friends! Today I'm super excited because we're going to make a dinosaur out of clay, right from scratch. So grab your favorite colors and let's have some fun together. First, let's roll a big ball of clay for the body. Squish it a little so it's kind of oval-shaped. Nice. Now take a smaller piece and roll it into a ball for the dino's head. Gently press it onto one end of the body. Next up, legs. Roll 4 little tubes. These will be your dino's legs. Stick them underneath the body, 2 on each side. Make sure they help your dino stand tall and proud. For the tail, roll out a long, skinny piece. Curve it a little. Dinos have cool tails, and attach it to the back. What about the spikes? Roll tiny little balls, squish them into flat ovals, and press them along your dino's back. Now let's give your dino a face. Use a toothpick to make 2 little holes for eyes, or roll tiny clay balls for eyes and a smile. You did it! You made your very own clay dinosaur. Don't forget, you can use any colors you like. Maybe a pink dino or even rainbow. Show your creation to your family, or make a whole dino family to play with. Thanks for making clay dinos with me. Hit like if you had fun! And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome crafts. See you next time, artists!